Hello friends and followers. Here is the Central Electronics 100V transmitter. So this thing I suppose had bad electrolytic capacitors. I don't know. The gentleman that had it before had put capacitors underneath it, and I didn't find the B plus section was working. So I think the way this went was they had a capacitor here for the 340 volt B plus and two of them here for the 600 volts B plus, and these are actually in series with resistors across the capacitors as equalizing resistors. Anyway, so because you can't buy these capacitors anymore, they used to have capacitors where you could fit them in the holes and they fit in here exactly, and then you could twist these and solder them and everything else. That doesn't exist anymore, so I've had to buy these capacitors at great expense, mind you, and try to fit them in. So for the two capacitors that are going to be on the side here, I've drilled holes here. You can see the holes here and here. This already had holes in it which fit the brackets I have, so I used those holes that were existing, and I drilled holes here and here. So the problem is that the capacitors will not fit in these holes. They'll short out. This one will fit in the hole fine, I hope. The other one will not. So the plan here is to use these capacitors on standoffs like this, put them in like that, and feed the wires down through and call it a day. So one's gonna go there, and one's gonna go here, like that, pretty much. I think I twirl this one around like that, and I hope there's room for the middle one. Middle one's gotta go in too. This may not work. I guess I'm gonna find out. That's the plan anyway. Yeah, I think it'll work. The middle one's gonna be cramped, and the whole trick was to get these things off the ground, and the middle one is gonna be basically down below. And can I fit this thing in here? We'll get it. So next video, you'll see these things all fitted in here and happily mounted, okay? So thanks for watching. Have a great day.